Have you ever downloaded an Amazon Prime Video but you couldn't find it on your computer? It can be so frustrating. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to find these videos and watch them anytime. So, even without internet connection, by the way. So first you're going to open up your File Explorer on your PC. So you're going to want to look for the Prime Video folder in your Videos dictionary directory. Next, check the default location under the Amazon folder if you didn't change it. If you still can't find it, try searching for the video title directly in the search bar. Now, if those steps didn't help, you might need to look into the Amazon Prime Video app settings. So there you can view and adjust where your downloaded videos are stored. Also, using a tool like Windirstat, Windirstat, it can help you to track down large video files. And finally, make sure that you're signed into your Amazon account to access the downloads. So now you're ready to enjoy all your favorite movies and your shows anytime. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment if you feel like it. Thanks for being here. Love ya. Ciao.